Hello all. Today in this video we will learn about how we can simply change the font size and text alignment. So first of all we will see that how we can change the font size. So in the style tag we will use the font size attribute. Here we will provide the font size, and after the colon we will provide the 300% means it should be three times more than the actual one. So once we save this and we will see the output, so you can see that now the text size is increased. Now for example, if you want to change the text alignment, so the text will be centrally aligned. So let me save this and let's see the output now again. So you can see all the text aligns in the center of the page. So this is the way you can simply change the font size and the alignment either on the left hand side, on the center, or on the right hand side. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us for more videos.